A man wakes up at 6 a.m. He drinks his coffee, gets dressed, and kisses his family goodbye. He drives to the office and sits at his desk, fully prepared to execute the specialized job he spent years mastering. But one morning, his screen displays a simple message: your position has been automated. No warning, no goodbye. Just gone. This transition has moved beyond theoretical models and into the daily lives of millions. Truck drivers, teachers, designers, and programmers are encountering these automated lockouts today. For thousands of years, human labor built civilization. Farmers grew food, and workers built cities using raw physical exertion and primitive tools. During the Industrial Revolution, heavy mechanized gears arrived to shoulder that physical burden. Millions lost their old jobs, but people adapted. They found new roles managing the very assembly lines that replaced their manual labor. Decades later, human labor transitioned again. Instead of moving physical objects, workers moved digital information on monochrome terminals. The current artificial intelligence revolution operates on a different axis entirely. We are no longer building machines to replace physical exertion. We are building machines to replace the human mind. Autonomous servers, operating quietly in the dark, can now process logic, analyze data, and generate art. Historically, new technology replaced the hand while leaving the head in control. By automating thought itself, we are removing the cognitive higher ground that previously protected human employment. A human spends years learning a skill and weeks executing it. AI completes the exact same task instantaneously. A designer spends hours creating a logo. AI generates 100 variations in seconds on an exponential curve. A writer spends days reading sources, checking facts, and structuring an article. AI synthesizes the same research and writes the draft immediately. Programmers dedicate months to building and debugging software architecture. AI systems can now help construct that identical code in minutes. Companies are making a calculated choice. Artificial intelligence completes the work faster, costs less, and never requires a vacation, a salary raise, or a single hour of sleep. Take Michael, a commercial truck driver. For decades, his life revolved around navigating these isolated highways late at night, sacrificing to provide for his family. When self-driving trucks were first proposed, critics laughed at a machine navigating complex traffic. Slowly, the sensors improved, the reaction times dropped, and the fleets became highly efficient. Michael lost his route. He made no mistakes and caused no accidents. The technology simply moved past his physical limitations. For years, society treated creative work as a strictly protected category. People assumed a machine could never replicate human imagination. Then, algorithms analyzed thousands of artistic styles. The machine entered the creative world, learning to paint, compose, and direct in a fraction of a second. The breach extends straight into highly educated professions. Lawyers and accountants, expert financial analysts, and even radiologists are finding their core tasks completed by analytical algorithms. The question facing the modern workforce is no longer whether a machine can execute a job. The defining metric is simply how long it takes before the algorithm becomes cheaper to rent than a human is to hire. Project these current trends forward into a near-future scenario. Millions of people suddenly find themselves unemployed, forced to compete economically against systems that never sleep. Governments might introduce universal basic income, providing citizens with a fixed amount of money every month, simply to cover basic survival needs when human labor is no longer required. Michael spent 25 years on the road, building his identity around his skill and his utility to his family. When that utility is removed, the daily structure and sense of pride it provided often vanish as well. Looking at this projected wealth distribution chart, a clear risk emerges. A society without working wages leaves billions struggling at the bottom. If the tools of production remain in a few hands, the economic distance will expand exponentially. There is a parallel possibility. Instead of pure competition, humans could use artificial intelligence as an amplifier, working alongside it to extend their own capabilities. Just as the internet spawned roles no one predicted, this ecosystem requires AI trainers, virtual world designers, and robot technicians and cybersecurity experts. A single person utilizing an array of AI tools could soon execute the operations, marketing, and logistics that currently require an entire company to manage. Surviving this economic shift requires rapid adaptation. The individuals who take the time to learn and deploy these new systems will control their output. This transition is not scheduled for 50 years from now. It is currently operating inside our phones, offices, and global logistics networks, quietly replacing old systems while most people sleep. The era of humans competing entirely on muscle and memory is over. We now face a simple, inevitable choice. We must either master the thinking machine or step aside and be replaced by it.